Hey guys, it's Amanda from Just Because. Today I'm sharing my recipe for the perfect Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Swiss Meringue Buttercream, also known as SMBC, is made by heating egg whites and sugar, whipping it into a meringue, and then adding in softened butter. This is my favorite buttercream to use when frosting cakes because it is stable, super creamy and silky, and it doesn't taste too sweet.
What you'll need are a mixer bowl with the whisk attachment, softened butter, egg whites, a rubber or silicone spatula, some salt, vanilla, granulated sugar, and a pot filled with about an inch of water. On a flat surface, such as your table or countertop, start cracking your eggs and separating them, placing the egg whites into your mixer bowl. I like to crack my eggs on a table rather than the edge of a bowl because larger cracks are formed into the egg, making it less likely to get shells into your bowl. Then add your salt and sugar and whisk to combine. Place your mixing bowl on top of your pot filled with water, and over medium-low heat, let the mixture cook slightly. Every so often, use your whisk to stir the egg whites. Tip: make sure the bottom of your mixing bowl does not touch the water in the pot. Your mixture will be ready when it is warm and all of the sugar has dissolved. I like to test this by rubbing a small amount between my fingers, and if it is super smooth and there are no sugar granules, I am good to go. Transfer your mixing bowl to your stand and let it whip on high. Touch the outside of your bowl. If it is room temperature and your meringue has formed stiff peaks, you can turn your mixer off. Switch the whisk for your paddle attachment, and then you can add in your butter. The consistency of your butter should be easily spreadable, almost like peanut butter, and soft enough to easily run your knife through. Slowly add in your butter, letting it fully incorporate before adding in your next batch. Stop your mixer and run your spatula around the edges of your bowl to get everything mixed in evenly. Add in your flavoring of choice, then continue to beat for about a minute. At the very end, remove your bowl and use your spatula to mix by hand, knocking out any remaining air bubbles. You should end up with a super silky, smooth, and delicious Swiss Meringue Buttercream.
So there you have it, my guide on making the perfect Swiss Meringue Buttercream. If you want the full recipe and all my tips and tricks, make sure to click the link listed below. If you try this recipe out, leave a comment, or better yet, take a picture and tag me on social media at Just Because. If you like this video, hit the like button, click subscribe, and if you want weekly baking advice from me, make sure to sign up for my email list.